Hi, we're here at Intersolar Europe Munich. I'm here at Dow Elastomers with Mr. Mike Shoemaker. He is the Global Strategic Marketing Manager. So nice to meet you, Mike.
Thank you.
Why are engaged polyolefin elastomers an excellent solution for PV encapsulant films versus other materials, including EVA?
Sure. So what we really bring to this marketplace is a very chemically inert polymer material that meets all the requirements for encapsulation without any of the other harsh chemistries provided by other materials like ethylene vinyl acetate or EVA. So because of that vinyl acetate component of EVA, you have problems with the polymer. For example, here we show some examples of some data that compares the yellowing problems of EVA compared to polyolefin encapsulants. So as you can see, after various levels of exposure to UV energy, the POE material retains its color and clarity extremely well. It remains totally clear throughout the entire exposure. Whereas you can see the EVA material with that vinyl acetate functionality gradually becomes yellow over time and with increased exposure to UV, which of course for an encapsulant material for a PV module, the goal is to really maintain that transparency to maintain the power output of that module over time.
And how much power output improvement can be expected with modules produced with Engage?
So with some data that we've generated, we've shown that EVA encapsulants can cause the module to lose up to half of its power over the lifetime of the module. Whereas with polyolefin-based elastomers, our data suggests that less than 10% loss is quite feasible.
Okay. Do you expect demand for PV encapsulant film to grow, and how is Dow Elastomers helping to facilitate that growth?
Of course, we do expect polyolefin elastomer encapsulants to get a very significant share of this market because of the inherent improvements that we bring to module durability because of our superior chemistry. And Dow is in the best position as the world's leader in polyolefin elastomers to do that, both because of our large global footprint for the manufacture of polyolefin elastomers. We have capabilities in all the major regions of the world, and we're adding to those capabilities. And we also have the world's best R&D engine for the development and innovation in polyolefin elastomers to support this industry globally.
How much power output improvement can be expected with modules produced with Engage?
So because of the inherent improvements that we offer, the chemistry of polyolefin elastomers versus EVA-type polymers, our data shows that modules that are using EVA-type encapsulants can lose over 50% of their power over time. And this is an example of some data doing some accelerated testing. Whereas with Dow's polyolefin elastomers, you can see that the power output is quite stable over time, showing less than 10% power loss over very extended accelerated weathering conditions. So it's this kind of performance that we think has tremendous value to the marketplace because this shows that the power output of that module will be significantly maintained with polyolefin elastomers, whereas with EVA there can be significant problems.